This is second video for this foam cement, and the first video explain you how cut this image, how try on internet, and with this machine, and the program prepare image for cut. And this is second video that explain you how put the cement and get out the form. You can use this foam, but the foam is not rigid, can be broken. But you can use this for cement. Okay, you can put this on this mode or in this mode, and result a beautiful, okay, a beautiful ornament. Also, my cat is curious what make. I try to not. This is another cat that is curiously for what happened with my model. Now I make the experiment. I use this shape for create the shape cement. So I have a piece of foam and I put over this shape, and with this I fixed this shape, okay, and this mode for not remain space, this for enter cement here in this mode, and we'll see what realized with this. So I exploited some gyps with water. I'll put here. And I hope that realize this shape. I am not sure 50%, but I'm okay. I try to make something. So now try to polish a little this. Here in my, okay, Anyway, this is only for example, so you can make more attention when make this, because I make only for example. Okay, I hope to make something good. Okay, and now leave to dry. Okay, and after this we'll see what result. Okay, this now we'll see what happened with this form. So I try to okay, and now I try to cut out without also. My cat is curious what make. I try to not yes, I don't know. Anyway, if spray with some decoffror, this image get out more simple, more easy. Now I try to cut the form to get out the form. On next video will be make one with special solution for cement to get out the form. Okay. Anyway, with hand you cannot make this model. Okay. This is another cat that is curiously for what happened with my model. Okay, go away. Okay, I don't know if working in this mode or need to use hot air. I think without hot air is same. If you're working with attention, I think. Okay, remain here a little foam. I'm a little scary for not broken now at finish. Okay, and now here. Okay, okay, and so me adjust in this mode. Okay, così in this mode. And this is result same this. Okay, from cement. With this machine you can create diverse types of working, like this type of names, glittered, like column like this form, barocco form, that Macchine homemade in this video. Okay, this is another form of column. This is another, and this is cement column Macchine form with this machine, and after put the cement on form.